Hey, I want to introduce you to these dash strobe lights that we just recently received. These are a nice little light. They're really bright, easy to install, and very functional. I'm going to get these things out of the box, show you what they look like, and install them and show you what they work. Nice strobe lights. You can see big, bright. How bright they're going to be. There's a good, awesome power source, just a regular old cigarette lighter. It's got a little red indicator light when you plug it in. Manual. These suction cups. You get 8 of them. Actually, you get 10 of them. You get a couple extras. Then you also get these little sticky pads, which I have yet to use, but these can help with that suction cup adhering a little bit better to your windshield. But I haven't had to use those yet. The suction cups have worked great. You get this nice digital layout and button for the control panel with a little sticky slide on the back, so you can mount this wherever you want, and so you can be kind of hands-free up on the dash. It's super nice. Plenty of cord to be able to use it to hide that in the seams of your truck once you get it installed. You can see install was fairly easy. I do like it. They have this nice little pivot point too, so you can pivot that so it fits on your windshield better. You can see these things stick on really well. It's just phenomenal how well they sit on there. And like they showed you, the power cord is really simple. It's the old cigarette light. Pretty simple. You can see the red light. And you can see, here's the lights. This is the red and white ones. You can see that the display is really nice. Just shows you which strobe number you're on. Obviously, you can just pick whichever one you want. There are 30 different different strobes. Plus, you can customize them if you want. But you can just see how bright and brilliant these things are. And it's just quite amazing. Really, it truly is. And here's what the 30 of them look like. As you can see, they're pretty brilliant lights. So many different choices. This is going to make those emergency situations so much better, being as bright as they are. They'll fit any application you need for your vehicle. Hopefully you enjoy them as much as I do. Thanks for watching.